Hello, students! Welcome back to our grammar class. In this session, we will explore the role of conjunctions in English. Conjunctions are very special words that join words, phrases, or sentences together. They help make our sentences clear and interesting. Let's learn the types of conjunctions. There are three main types: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join two independent statements or ideas of equal importance. Check the examples. From the example, we can see the words and but join two ideas or actions in each sentence, showing how conjunctions connect words or clauses. Functions of coordinating conjunctions. There are four main functions for which coordinating conjunctions are used: addition, contrast, choice, and reasoning. Addition. Conjunctions like and, as well as, both and, are used to add one statement to another. Check the example. Contrast. Conjunctions like but, yet, still, whereas are used to show contrasting ideas. See the example. Choice. Conjunctions like or, otherwise are used to show choices. Look at the example. Reasoning. Conjunctions like for are used to show reason or deduction. Refer to the example. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions join two statements where one depends on the other. Correlative conjunctions of addition. Both and. This is used to add two equal ideas or things together in a sentence. See the example. This is useful to include an additional person, thing, or idea along with another. Check the example. No less than. This is used to show that two things are equally important or significant. Look at the example. Not only, but also. This is used to emphasize that something is true and add another important point. See the example. Correlative conjunctions of choice. Either or. This is used to present two alternatives or options where one must be chosen. See the example. Neither nor. This is used to deny or negate two ideas or options at the same time. Look at the example. Whether or. This is used to show that one situation or the other may happen regardless of the outcome. See the example. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions introduce a subordinate clause to the sentence. Check the table for reference. From the given subordinating conjunctions and their functions, we can understand that subordinating conjunctions are used to connect a dependent clause, subordinate clause, to an independent clause. They help show time, reason, condition, or manner in a sentence. Subordinating conjunctions can join nominal clauses, acting like nouns, or adverbial clauses, giving extra information about time, condition, or cause. Time to practice. Stop and try answering the questions. Well done on learning about conjunctions. Conjunctions appear in almost every sentence, helping us connect ideas smoothly and make our writing more meaningful. Keep practicing regularly. See you in the next lesson.